Gurdeep Singh, shall we begin? Uh, we are waiting for Mr. Karan as well. Okay, he'll be joining us within a minute. Yes, host, shall we begin with proceedings? Okay. Uh, good morning, all. Good morning, all the new members of family. Okay. With the bottom of my heart, I wish to extend a warm welcome to all the new entrants of LPU. The students who have just taken admission in the LPU, I wish to present my heartfelt welcome to all the students. Okay. So today's session would be more likely, to obtain word of wisdom from all the senior alumni, senior people, all the senior, all your seniors who have, taken up education from here itself and working really well in the industry. Okay. So moving ahead with the same agenda. So firstly, I wish to introduce myself, and I'm Asim Kumar. I'm Assistant Dean and Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Sciences. I'm taking care of placements of CSAT school. Okay. So we have with us Mr. Dinesh Kumar. Hi, Dinesh. Good morning.
Hi, sir.
He's from 2018 passing out batch, and he's currently working in Bondi Value as a senior full stack engineer. Okay. Along with Dinesh, we have Mr. Abhinav. If you can please wave your hand. We have Mr. Abhinav as well. Abhinav is from 2019 passing out batch, and he got campus placement in Qualcomm, and he's working over there as a software engineer. Okay. So good morning. Good morning to all. Okay, Dinesh. So firstly, I wish to ask a very first question. Okay, from you, how has life been post LPU?
So, as you know, while I was in LPU, I mean, like, they were very hard times for me. Like, you helped me a lot of times. So after LPU, I think, so my first, I got internship after third year. So I joined Kony. From there on, I think my life started getting stabilized, both in terms of financially and mentally as well. So yeah, currently I work as like lead full stack engineer at Bondi Value. So I think it's very much fine now.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Abhinav, so same question. Okay, to you, how's life been post LPU?
Yes, sir. I can say that yeah, after getting placement in Qualcomm, right? I was very excited actually to part of 5G driven technology in Qualcomm. When I joined Qualcomm, they just have started developing 5G products. So I think I was very excited, nervous though to part of new technology. But yeah, but I can say that I have enjoyed more being student of LPU, and it has been a life changing moment for me.
Okay, so any fond memories which you wish to share with all your juniors
There are a lot of
from
memories, and the session is very small. So, to
any particular which you wish to share?
I would say those DJ nights, right? One World festivals, which I'm not sure when this pandemic will end, and I'm interested to join those sessions as a alumni also, sir.
No, no
I
issues. So
I
I
I,
hope this pandemic would be over. I'm pretty hopeful,
yeah.
and we would be having all these things back on track as well. And we would love to have you on board whenever we'll be conducting all these sessions. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Dinesh, I wish to ask, a very fundamental question from you. Like, we know that, we all know that academics are a foundation upon which a successful career is built. So, what do you have to say about the academic support that LPU provides to its students?
Yeah, so sir, like as you said, like I think we if you want to get into any company, or like if you want to do, like even if you want to pursue masters or anything, I think we for sure need some good academic score first of all before having anything. So at LPU, I think like we have good faculty like you, sir, for sure. That's for sure. Then I think like the faculty, like they encourage a lot in pursuing our interest. Like I can give you an example where I think in my third year, like I didn't have a penny, but I had an idea of like I was looking into, like I started learning Internet of Things. Then I came up with an idea to you and Ankur Sodhi sir. So like you said, like you first implement it, then like we'll provide you. Like I didn't even have money to buy the components, so you helped me to get them, and like we made a prototype of like where we can the prototype is basically of like a device where which when kept with the notice board, it will give us a count of how many people have read the notice board notice actually. Yeah, so
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
I remember that idea.
yeah, sir.
Yes,
So
please,
I
please carry
think
on.
like with LPU, faculty are like the best. I think you should make a connection with them, and like you should not be you should not feel like low or anything. Like to talk to them, you can talk to them. You can discuss your plans. If you're having any ideas, you can you can discuss with them, and they're very much happy to help for sure.
Okay. So, Abhinav, moving ahead with the same line of question, from your perspective, how has the student-teacher interaction at LPU been helpful in your personality development?
Yes, sir. I totally agree with Dinesh on this point that faculty is very supportive. And actually, to start early, right? I want to add that when I joined LPU, I remember in 2015. At that time, I was not sure that what I will learn in computer science and what is computer science all about. So my whole foundation in programming and data structure, right? That all is driven by Qualcomm faculty. Plus, hard work is always there, and yeah, it's all about teachers guidance and the confidence which mock interviews, right, mock tests, which will boost the students confidence, and I think that those are the best practices.
Okay. So, we have Mr. Karan as well. Karan, if you can please turn on your webcam and wave other participants, that would be really good. We have Karan Mittal as well. He's from 2019 passing out batch, and he is currently working with Amazon. And you must have seen him in various LPU commercials as well. He's a very active student, all-rounder. Karan, am I audible to you? Karan. Okay, no issues. We'll reach out to Karan again. He has joined, but I guess we will reach out to Karan again. No issues. Okay. So, Dinesh, there is a one thing which I wish to know. Like you are a hostler. Okay, lot many students, who would be taking up admission in LPU, they would be opting up the hostels. Okay. So, how does the vibrancy and the heterogeneity of the campus affect the holistic development of an individual, and the learning which student would be getting from the hostel life would be helpful in the future life? Yes, can you please throw some light on that?
Yes, so like basically I'm from South India, and like so I stayed in hostel for 3 years, and one thing I tried is like I tried not to stay with my class friends, because so that I'll get to stay with other people and learn from them. Like in all my 3 years, like all my roommates were from North India, like they're from Himachal Pradesh or Punjab. So I got to learn a lot from them. Like they're also not from computer science, like they're from different branches. So like they sometimes used to tell me like somewhere from agriculture BSc, they sometimes used to tell me different things about like what they were learning and all. So yeah, also like we used to play a lot as well, like Fadka and all, like the online game. So currently I don't have a fear to talk to people. Basically, previously while joining LPU, I was having that fear. So yeah.
So you are saying the learning which you obtained during your stay at hostel was a quintessential component, to overcome that very fear of, to reach out to people, to reach out to new people, present your ideas and talk
Yeah.
to them freely.
Yeah.
That's a very good thing, which I must say. Okay. So Abhinav, now you have experienced both sides of the coin. Okay, you were a student as well. Now, from last 3 years, you are working in Qualcomm, one of the leading giant of 5G technology. Okay, what according to you can be another add-on? Okay, to bridge the gap between campus and the corporate. What the student should do at the beginning of their degree, so that they would be having smooth transition from campus life to corporate life.
Yeah, there are common skills like time management, punctuality, and communication skills. I could add, because that is very important in corporate also, as well as in when you are student. You should have confidence to present your ideas to your seniors, to your teachers. In corporate, you should, means you should have confidence to raise your concerns. Actually, that's what corporate also want, and the same thing I believe uh, teachers also expect from their students, right? To raise their doubts, to raise their concerns. I can add it that even after going to corporate, I would say no question is small. Feel free to raise any question at the starting, because you have liberty, right, to ask any question. But after 2 years, if you will ask, that may not have good impact.
So I would also like to add two more points. You're on mute.
Yes, please. Would you like to add some points, Dinesh?
Yeah. So like basically, for me while transitioning, I saw that like we should be very much flexible in terms of like what we learn and all. Like in college, we might be working on some technology, and it's not for sure that you'll be working on the same technology when you move to a company. So you should be like at all times through your career, like to succeed. I think you should be very much flexible in learning whatever is required.
That's true. So I'm sure the points which you have shared, Abhinav and Dinesh, your juniors would I would say keep all these points in their mind, and definitely do the needful, so that they would also be having a very uh, successful life ahead. Okay. Uh, so Dinesh, there is a one thing which I wish to know from your side. What kind of professional grooming that LPU provided you, that was really helpful to you to get a jobs, or entering into the corporate life. If you can please say some points to your juniors, that would be really appreciable.
Yeah, sir. So the main thing which I've learned at LPU is like to ask the right set of questions. For example, like I take interviews for my company. So like people come, and if I give it like a problem to solve for them, they simply jump on it. But at LPU, like the first and foremost thing which we learned is like before jumping into the solution, ask the right set of questions. Like what are the various constraints that are required to solve the problem. And like I think that's the first and foremost thing that anyone looks in a candidate, like is he asking the right sort of questions before starting a thing or not. That way like you are clear on what to do and what the other person is expecting you to do.
Okay, very well said, very well said. Abhinav, would you like to throw some light on that? What kind of professional grooming LP provided you?
Yes, sir. I would say that maybe from starting of the studies at LPU, right? I believe on every semester there is a add-on subject like to enhance your professional capability, like verbal ability, how to present, how to communicate, how to behave professionally. I believe that those subjects are very useful, and they in some way we are using that now practically. So I would say those are very helpful, and before actual interviews, right, those mock interviews are, I would say, very helpful to
Okay.
boost the confidence actually.
Okay.
Also, one more thing, sir. Like at LPU, we have different clubs. Like I think while we were there was a club for competitive programming where students come together and like compete with few set of things. I think that will help clear out like a few rounds of interviews. Basically, I mean that will bring like the problem solving capability of ours more better.
Okay. That's true. So Karan has rejoined. Karan, am I audible to you now? Karan, if you can hear me, please acknowledge. Okay. I guess some issues are at Karan's end. No issues. We'll move ahead. Okay. So Dinesh, we know that, you know, like when you enter into the college life, you are having lot many fears in your mind that what will happen to me. Okay, whether I'll be getting placement, whether I'll be able to get good friends. Okay, whether I'll be able to accommodate with the new culture, new climate, whether I'll be able to, you know, learn all those things which are being delivered in the class. So considering the entire perspective, okay, from first semester to eighth semester, okay, so what are the, you know, few important things which each and every new entrant should take care, so that they would be having very successful life ahead, be that in terms of learning or in terms of replacement? Yes.
Yes, sir. So, firstly, actually, before joining LPU, I've never been at hostel. So, I think for first a month or so, I had that homesick feeling, like I was missing my parents and all. Then later, when I made like good friends, I think that got little away. Then I think the main thing which I think we should focus on is like we should constantly keep on learning, sir. Like I think that will only take us anywhere we want to go. Like if you want to even pursue higher studies, or if you want to be good at something, I think learning is the only thing which, not only like whatever we learn from academics, I think we should also start exploring different things before. Like we should not stick on to one thing, and we should not say like I'll be only doing this. I think we should explore different things, and then we'll get to know like which one is better, and then we should pursue it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Avina, would you like to throw some light on that?
Yeah, I agree with Dinesh's point that hunger to learn is very important, and uh, uh, formally I would say that getting, if student is actually worrying about getting good grades in LPU, that I believe is not that much that much difficult, as soon as you are attending your classes, and as soon as you are uh, writing your notes. I don't think that is very difficult. The more challenging task here is to explore extra things uh, after your lecture is over. Like after your programming lecture is over, it is your responsibility to actually practice on external programming platforms,
Mhm.
which will help you
Mhm.
actually gain more knowledge, and it will boost your confidence when actually the external compiler will say you got these many points and your submission is successful. I think at beginner stage, even hello world program can boost the confidence.
Okay.
So, like one
It's
more
true.
thing
It's
I
true.
would like to add is like I think these are going to be the four best years. I mean, I think these are the years which will like cherish in our life. So I think we should manage our time wisely, and we should also give some time towards extracurricular activities and like playing with our friends and all, because I think these 4 years we should manage time wisely and enjoy our life as well.
I'll come to that point at very last when I'll be asking the piece of advice which you wish to your juniors. Karan, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. I can hear you
So
now.
if you can please turn on your webcam, that would be really great.
Yeah, yeah. Can you guys see me now?
Yes, yes. We have Karan as well. He's from 2019 passing out batch. He's currently working in Amazon, and you must have seen him in various LP commercials as well. He's a rock star. So welcome, Karan.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Hey, Abhinav. Very nice.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
So we have Dinesh and Abhinav as well, Karan, in that very meeting. So I'll straightforward jump to the questions, Karan. Okay.
Yeah.
So we left with 10 minutes. Okay. Uh, now you have experienced both sides of the coin. You have seen your corporate life as well. You have experienced 4 years of your college life as well. Okay. So what according to you can be few more things which can be done right now so that the student would be having better adaptability in corporate life and they would be having very smooth transition there? If you can please throw some light on that.
So as far as like this computer science or IT sectors comes into picture, and we keep only that in perspective. So the only thing which makes difference is like when you start problem solving and competitive programming, or I would say data structure and algorithm. So that is something. Just do not wait for anyone to come and guide you. Just Google it and start it on day one of your BTech. I would say that is the only game changer between, as sir said, like when you come to industry and what will help you to get there. And coming down to what will help you to adapt there, so I would say not much. Like you can just come up with the basic knowledge, basic problem solving skills, some basic fundamentals clear in your computer science and in languages. Other things, other technologies you will learn on the way. You might not be, you need not to be a rock star in a particular technology to come and shine in the industry. So yeah, that was the thing I would say.
Like have whatever you have said, I wish to correlate your answer with one more question which student must be having in their mind. Like we know that in particularly in computer sciences and IT, lot many technologies are gaining popularity or already being very popular. For example, cyber security, full stack development, data science, data analytics. They would be having a lot many questions and confusions in their mind. Which particular field shall they pursue? So that they would be having very smooth transition. They would be having very good chances of getting placed.
Got
Okay.
it.
So like you have said, we need to stick with the basics: data structure, algorithms, competitive programming. Students should not wait. They should start from the very beginning, maybe first or second week of their college life. They
Yeah.
should start practicing out all these things. Okay. So along with that, Karan, would you please throw some light on the point, like what kind of professional grooming did LPU provided you during your time? Okay. And the same kind of things would be provided to your juniors as well. How can they better be a good receptor of all these things? They can conceive all these things in a better way.
Okay, sorry, I got confused. The question is between the professional training or between the technology you want to do?
My question is like, what kind of professional grooming did LPU provided you?
Okay.
What sort of things which students should be having in their mind so that they can better receive, they can better grab all such learning opportunities?
Got it. So for us in the third year, like there were some, you can say, people coming in from Amazon itself or Flipkart itself, and they were like teaching what competitive programming is or what data structure is. So if you see, you maintain, I'll be very blunt here, you maintain a 9 point, you could be a 9 pointer in college, but in the interview that won't help. At least in Amazon's interview or in any FANG's interview, that won't help. You guys have to be good in problem solving and data structures and algorithm. When I say data structures and algorithm, I think you guys are very fresh to computer science field. You might be thinking it just as a theoretical part of it. Just go and Google it. What problem solving is. Check some of the sites like Geeks for Geeks, Lead Code, Interview Bit. So there you will get the idea, or just Google data structure problem solving. Like just YouTube it. So you guys will get some videos like what is it is actually. So for us, like these guys came in third year from some Flipkart, from Amazon, and they taught us like what actually it is. But if you see, it is bit late till then, when college will actually start your professional enhancement, or college will actually start investing on you for your placements. So no doubt they also can't do in the first year itself. They can do towards the placements only. But that would be, I would say, that would be a bit late to prepare these things, because these things will take at least couple of years to adapt and to be master in these things. So yeah, again coming to the same point, as far as computer science is concerned, started from day one. And coming to other question, the technology part, I would say it's not a must to have, it's a good to have. If you are interested in cybersecurity, if you are interested in web designing, if you are interested in Android, if you are interested in any XYZ, start building it, no? Start learning about it, build some at least some apps or some websites in it. So no one is going to ask in that 45 minutes round, hey, how did you do it? So they will ask only crux of it. So if you did it by heart, or if you are aware what cybersecurity is, so that person as a fresher from you will be interested on a very superficial answers. That person will not be interested like you tell me some fancy things about cybersecurity, or you tell me some fancy things about Android. So if you are interested, or you just are concerned, like what technologies should I be having a, like when I step into interview room as a fresher. So there is no as such demand, but these are good to have. Data structure and problem solving is something must to have.
Must to have.
Technology is something which is good to have.
Very important point which you have specifically emphasized upon. Very important point. The things which we need to know from the very beginning, the things which we must have, and the things which we have good to be proficient with. It's really true. So at the last, so I moved to Dinesh and Abhinav. Okay, as we are moving towards the end of this very session, any piece of advice to your juniors from the core of your heart?
Yes, sir. So firstly, I like to talk. So I think it's not necessary that I don't know. This is my thought process. I think it's not necessary that everyone end up in FANG or like such companies. I think in India, like as it is growing and many unicorns are emerging, I think startup is also a best place to land, sir, for sure. And like as Karan mentioned, data structures and like system design, like these things are for sure needed. And yeah, I think we should constantly keep on learning. I think I don't know, I believe that like at startups we get to like even do cooler stuff. Basically we can own like I own basically 3 applications. I design them, I code them, everything. So I think it's not like, don't be in a mindset that like I should only go for FANG or something. I think you should end up in a good company where you'll get to learn a lot and do a lot, basically. Yeah. So I think for students, you should not pressurize yourself on getting into like Amazon, Flipkart, or anything like that. You should look at like keep things. You should end up in a good place. And I think pay-wise also, startups are paying more than the big company does.
So crux of your advice is we need to stick with the basics. We need to have that hunger to learn. We should not honestly aim for only FANG. Okay, as long as we'll be getting good amount of learning, we can join the companies. It's good point. Abhinav, would you like to throw some light on that, and what kind of advice which you wish to give to your juniors?
Yes, sir. I would like to. Yeah, I agree with the points of Karan and Dinesh for data structure and algorithm. But to add on, data structure and algorithm is what the technical part. We should be good in communication skills as well, plus the aptitude, which is initial round of placements. So I believe, yeah, but a part of this tech study, right, we should not miss the fun part of LPU. So we should have balance between study and fun, but you should be decent in your studies. As I mentioned earlier, it is not much difficult to get good grades in LPU as soon as uh, you are attending your classes regularly. So I would say that decent hard work will get you in a good company. Balance is a key, sir, for me.
Okay, that's good. If the host would permit us, we may take 5 more minutes where we'll be answering few questions of the juniors. Yes, Karan. And the last minute advice which you wish to give your
Yeah.
your juniors, please.
Yeah, I think Dinesh and Abhinav brought up very good points. So it is not something you should stick something in your mind like you have to go in only to FANGs. So you may find very good stuff and fancy stuff in startups as well. So it's not about company. I would say do not have a tunnel vision. Do not just look into it like I have to go to Amazon or I have to go to Flipkart. Just prepare yourself for everyone. Okay, just prepare yourself for some good stuff out there. Prepare yourself with a mindset like I have to go and I have to learn something and do something really good in the industry. And that could be at Amazon, that could be at Google, that could be at any startup as well. So it doesn't matter. This brands after 2 months of joining, no. So this brand won't matter much for you. The only thing which will live in the longer run with you is what work you guys are doing and are you guys are enjoying it and it is bringing a curve in your learning or not. So at the end of the day, that is something which will matter most for you. And yeah, as Abhinav mentioned, like do not forget to enjoy these 4 years as well. So I am the one who did that, who forgot to enjoy.
So I can't express with words how I am happy today just to see three of you. I still remember the day when you used to visit to our office for various small issues where you need some kind of help. So I'm really proud to see you guys doing absolutely well in your respective fields. I'm feeling proud. The same way your parents must also be feeling proud. But we as a university, we as a teacher, we are extremely blessed to have people like you who have who have shown utmost respect to us as well as towards our university. Okay, so any junior? Yes, Dinesh, would you like
One
to add
thing,
something?
sir, like
Yes,
I
yes.
think as they're freshers, so I think they might end up like, so I think these things sound attracting for them. So I think they might end up spending a lot for learning. I think they don't need to spend even a penny. Like resources are out there. You just need to grab them. Like they're going to be free. Don't spend too much on learning because like everything which the one which you pay and get, right, it will be freely available. You just need to find them. That's
Okay. Very great point. Very good point. Yes. Any junior wish to ask any question? Any decent question which you wish to ask from our respective uh, alumni? I guess Simran Fatima Sayed raised hand. So do you have any questions, Simran? Okay. So no questions. So with this, so we wish to end this very session. So it was a very wonderful.
Actually, I have a question.
Yes. Please tell me.
Currently, I have enrolled for MTech CSC.
Yes, ma'am.
So, from which semester it is suitable to take internship?
Ma'am, I guess I'll your different from the agenda of this very session. Okay, so you can ask me later on, or I'll be giving you my contact details. You can reach out to me. Okay, I'll answer all your questions. No issues.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for being such a wonderful audience. Thank you so much, Abhinav, Dinesh, and Karan, for taking up time from considering this too as your responsibility, helping juniors. And you guys have already been so wonderful. Okay, thank you so much from the core of my heart, and we are really proud of it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so
thank
much.
you so much.
Thank
Nice
you,
to
sir.
Take good care of you.
Yeah.
Take good care of you.
Okay.
Bye bye.
All
See
the
you
best,
guys.
everyone.
See you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.